Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to change the language on a Volkswagen. Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, but this procedure is going to be the same, especially if your instrument cluster looks just like this, or if you have a Volkswagen Tiguan based on the same chassis, so other model years. It's going to be very similar. So what you want to do is right here on the right side of the steering wheel you have left and right, up and down, and OK. We're going to use those to go to settings. You can see settings option, and then we'll just press OK, and we'll choose our desired language. Let's go with Italian, and then you can see that the home menu is changed, and you can go back. I'm going to change that to English, and that's it. That's very simple, very straightforward to change the language for the instrument cluster on a Volkswagen. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.